Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new headlight bulbs. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. It is also wise to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. This simple preparation will make the job much smoother. Now, let's get to the bulb. To create enough space, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you are working on. Next, you will need to remove about 2 to 3 push clips and a few screws securing the fender liner in the wheel well. Use your trim tool and screwdriver for this. Once the fasteners are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. With the headlight assembly exposed, locate the bulb you need to replace. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it away. Then, grasp the base of the old bulb and rotate it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare fingers. Insert the new bulb, align its tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks into place. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's headlights to verify the new bulb is working. If it illuminates, you can proceed to reinstall the fender liner and all the push clips and screws you removed earlier. It is often a good idea to replace both headlight bulbs simultaneously, as they tend to dim at similar rates, ensuring consistent light output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.